This is my incomplete Warrior Toolbox deck. Okay. Three times. And I'm on locals, I'm allowed to use this because like it's not like the big Dragon Ball tournaments in UDE day. I'm gonna update 3. Nick 1 and 2, I'm sending you Unchained Dragon, Destiny Hero, Diamond Dew, Return Zombie, Raptor Wing Strike, and I'm sending first. X-Cluster 3079, I'm sending first for your Darkwind Red Dragon. And WKRG 111, you're sending first for Ultimate Rare. This is an update, and after I finish doing my trades, this deck will be better, and I'll be using up my next locals. Yeah, quick update. So that's traded. Don't bother asking me unless I make another video. I'm trading now as well. Yeah. Now for Nick. So I'm sending to Nick first. Sorry, but I can only send next week. I can send next week, and I can send as soon as I get your cards. So if Nick next cluster, you have to wait one more week. I can't send this weekend. Sorry.